Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. I went to the hospital yesterday to anoint a friend of mine who was already dying. And as we were talking with the relatives and also the family, I was looking at the patient, and he was already in coma. And I was looking at his face. Daghan na kay itong mga gadget ang gibutang. What caught my attention was the oxygen. He was breathing with the help of the oxygen. And I'm sure it was an add-on expense. There was an oxygen for him to live. He has to have an oxygen in order for him to survive. He has to pay the air that he breathes. And I was telling myself how lucky I am. 24/7 I am breathing, but I am not paying the Lord any single centavo for the air that I breathe. And I remember last week we had a meeting in the seminary, and the finance officer tried to give the budget and the expenses in the seminary. Lo and behold, in terms of our electricity, we have to pay from 100 to 130,000 per month. And while I was walking here, and I was telling myself how lucky and blessed I am nga nakakita ko sa palibot, hayag kayong palibot, wa man kumubayad sa Ginoo biskang piso para lang mugawas ang sun. My dear brothers and sisters, our gospel reading today reminds us, and Jesus was saying, without cost you have received, without cost you are to give. The Lord has been so gracious to us. Most often we thank for the extraordinary gifts that we have received. But the gospel reading allows us to go back to the basic, to be grateful to the Lord, to be thankful to the Lord, to the air that we breathe, the light that we see, for the beautiful surroundings that we have, and above all, for the life that we have. Without cost, you have received. Without cost, you are to give.